Alright guys, so it's been quite a week for me. Really late, like 12-hour shifts like every day. So I was just exhausted getting home from work today. And I ordered some special stuff for the Miata, as you guys know, that needed quite a lot of things. And I ordered it last week. There's the truck, I'll show that off. And look at this. So this is what I came home to today. I literally ordered this Thursday last week and it's already here. Can you guys guess? Turbo Miata, what do you think it would be? It's obviously a 6-speed. And I got a 3.6 differential coming. I'm just shocked. That came in like less than a week. That's unbelievable. From the UK straight to Canada. I'll tell you guys the name. I gotta look it up. I forget who I exactly purchased it from, but holy crap. That is unreal. There's a truck. But yeah, I'm gonna wait on the differential. I gotta order a bunch more stuff, such as differential supports, a bunch of subframe braces, brackets, weld-on tabs, just a bunch of crap that I gotta order. Then I gotta get the rear main seal and just several other things. So yeah, just a quick video and a little update. All right guys, so as you can see, there she is, the 6-speed. Yeah, so I ordered it. I'll have to get the name for you guys in a second. I keep forgetting it. But I ordered it on Friday and it's already here. I'm pretty surprised. That's quite crazy. It's 5 days shipping from the UK to Canada. So, damn, good job. And here is my spare 6-speed that I have. So, if anybody wants it, let me know. It's going to be going up for sale probably before this video even shows up, so it might not be available. But whatever. And yeah, so just waiting on my 3.6 diff to come to match up nicely with the gearing. And yeah.